Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to bleed your BMW Z4 cooling system. This crucial maintenance step ensures your engine runs at its best, preventing overheating and potential damage. Air trapped in the system can significantly reduce cooling efficiency, so following these steps carefully is essential for your vehicle's health. Let's get started with the first important step to prepare your car. Before you begin, park your BMW Z4 on a level surface, ideally with the front slightly elevated to help air escape. It's absolutely critical that the engine is completely cool. Never open a hot cooling system. Next, locate your coolant reservoir and identify all the bleed screws on your engine. Having everything ready makes the process much smoother and safer for you and your car. Now let's get to the bleeding. Fill your coolant reservoir with the correct BMW-approved coolant until it reaches the max line. Then, turn your ignition on, but do not start the engine. This activates the electric water pump. Carefully open the bleed screws, one by one, until you see a steady, bubble-free stream of coolant. Close each screw once the air is purged, ensuring a thorough bleed. After bleeding, take your Z4 for a short test drive, keeping an eye on the temperature gauge. Once the engine cools again, recheck the coolant level in the reservoir and top it off if necessary. Regular checks ensure your system remains optimal. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Proper cooling system maintenance is key to your BMW's longevity and performance, so keep up the good work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.